What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Meme Coin Daily. My name is Joven, and like always, I got a banger for you guys in this video. We will be covering Shido Finance. The project has been absolutely crushing it in a bear market. We've covered the project a couple times before, and I definitely have to keep covering any updates, any major news, because this project has so much bullishness to it. It literally just made a new all-time high. So if you're a part of the Shido army, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Meme Coin Daily, 885 subscribers, guys. Let's get to 900, then let's get to 1,000 subscribers. When you see a project like Shido in the micro cap space, this is one of those ones you really have to pay attention to, because it has a very hard-working dev in Bjorn and a very super based community in the Shido army, always spreading the message, always ready for updates, always letting people know about the project on social media, extremely active, super crazy social engagement. So let's just hop right into this one, guys. But before we go any further, just gotta let you guys know I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space, because it is very risky and very volatile. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. Now, when we head over to the coin market cap of Shido, as you guys can see, 4,777 persons have Shido on their watch list. That number just keeps increasing, guys. The price right now for Shido is 0.00017, still less than a penny, guys, up 9% on the 24 hours, $8.3 million in market cap. Like I said, Shido has made a new all-time high. You know what I'm saying? You guys, as a Shido army super base team, crushing it in the bear market. 574k in 24-hour trade volume, up 208%. Full circulating supply of Shido is out and circulating, guys. When we scroll down, I'm sure if you go through the community tab of Shido, it's just all bullishness, you know what I'm saying? Let's take a look at the full breakdown of the trade volume. As you guys can see, Uniswap 294k, PancakeSwap 278k, listed on Uniswap and PancakeSwap. So if you have problems, you know, with the gas fees on ETH, you could just get the BSC version, Binance Smart Chain version of Shido, and save on those gas fees. DigiFinex and Baby Doge, guys. So all around super bullish, because the trade volume right now is skyrocketing. Everyone is trying to get their hands on some Shido, and I could see why, because it's one of those projects that has great utility, great team, and a great community. All the factors that it takes for a project to be successful in the micro cap space, y'all. When you go through the Shido website, you'll see a full breakdown of all the utilities that Shido has to offer. Some really great stuff here, guys. Building the ecosystem of decentralized finance, Shido is the next generation cross-chain DeFi ecosystem. We see what happened. I know everybody's tired of hearing about it, but we saw what happened with the bad actors in the space. Bear markets really exposed the bad actors, and DeFi has been getting so much more attention because decentralized finance is the future, right? And Shido is carving out its space in that market. The Shido wallet, Shido Dex, which is now live, Shido Perpetual Dex, Shido MasterCard, Shido Market NFT, and Shido Games Play to Earn. And then we have full breakdowns of each utility, guys, partners of Shido, and the latest news. Now, when we head over to Dex Tools and take a look at the Shido chart, just to have a better breakdown of the chart, you could see it's been in this pattern, right? It's been in a very bullish trend, a very bullish uptrend for Shido, guys. Started off flatline, moved up, you know what I'm saying, had a correction, moved up, had a correction, and once again moved up, once again got to its all-time high, and then more than likely so have a correction to continue up further, guys. It is so bullish to see, because this project is performing this well in a bear market, right? As long as the team keeps delivering, community stays based, I could only imagine how well the project will perform in a bull market. My last Shido video, the market cap for Shido was sitting around 5 million, just under 5 mil market cap. I think it went all the way up to around 10 mil, just about $10 million in market cap. You could see as well, now I'm on the Twitter the official Twitter of Shido, and it's at 45.5k followers, and in my previous video it was at 32.9k followers. You can see that right here, which means, guys, the community is growing. People are taking notice of Shido and its successes. There's a lot of legit, larger names in the crypto space that are very bullish on Shido, and as soon as Shido has like a great update, something is done, you know what I'm saying, the community is spreading the word, or some type of major news, you'll see those large accounts be tweeting about Shido, spreading Shido on their social media platforms. And speaking of major news for Shido, Shido Perpetual is live. A fully decentralized perpetual DEX with deep liquidity on ETH and BSC. Trade, cross, and isolated margin with leverage up to 100x on popular assets. So with the Shido Perpetual DEX, you can literally leverage margin trade on a decentralized exchange. No more need for centralized exchanges for the traders out there, guys. If another large exchange, centralized exchange, falls, people will be looking into DeFi. Like I said, there's a market that is carved out and it's getting more and more fleshed out for projects because of this bear market. People will be looking into a project like Shido and think, well, since I can't use my centralized exchange to leverage trade, I might as well use a Shido Perpetual DEX. Then I could 100x leverage trade on popular assets. Let's take a look at the Shido DEX so you guys could see it for yourself. And as you can see here, just like how you'd be on like a centralized exchange like a KuCoin, here you have, where you could connect to your wallet the two different chains you could use with this, which is Ethereum and Binance. You could file a ticket if you're having issues. Very bullish. Different languages, the settings for you guys to go through. You could turn on and off the order books just like a centralized exchange, guys. This is absolutely bullish to see that they have developed so much, guys. Like, it is crazy. Right here we also have the different margin modes between cross and isolated. I'm not much of a trader myself. Most of the time when I'm on exchanges, centralized exchanges, I'm just trading spot, you know what I'm saying? But I know for a fact the traders out there will probably be salivating to take a look at this type of leverage, you know what I'm saying? Look at this, up to 200x leverage. Like, I know they'll be salivating at that, guys. Successful trades with the Shido DEX will definitely be creating some large crypto whales, guys. I could already see it, you know what I'm saying? This is extremely bullish to see, man. Great job from the Shido team on delivering on their roadmap and the utilities that they said they would set out to do, you know what I'm saying? A lot of projects, it's all promises and no delivery. Shido adds more liquidity to the pools. We have added another 15k USD worth of tokens. Shido liquidity program is in full stream. We are strengthening and adding liquidity on a weekly basis. Price floor keeps raising and price impacts lowers. This is why the chart is looking as great as it is, guys. Every project needs a large liquidity pool, and as you guys can see, we are making higher lows in Shido. Higher lows, guys, moving to the upside and less price impact, so it will have more stability. If there's ever huge sales on the project, it won't impact the price as much, which is good and great from a psychological perspective for retail investors that are a little bit on edge with their investment, because at the end of the day the project is a micro cap, so a lot of people can still be on edge with the project. The future is not guaranteed, especially with crypto, but they'll be more at ease knowing the chart has more for a stable price appreciation or depreciation. Tweet from Crypto Gems, very large account in the space, 353k followers. Shido Perps just launched today and it's simply perfect. Definitely gotta agree with you on this one. Shido Pump shows it. Their community is on fire, ready to shoot this above 100 mil market cap with all the updates coming. Shido Finance, I keep telling you, this will be a top 100 project in the next bull run. As long as the developments happen, the updates happen at the pace they're happening, you know what I'm saying? Even if they slow down a bit, we could already see Bjorn and the team has stayed delivering throughout this whole bear market, guys. So going into the next bull, you know what I'm saying, the possibilities for the project could be endless. From Crypto's Batman, 52k followers, Shido Perpetual Dex is live. Good job by the team for pulling this off. I'm confident Shido will do really well in the next bull cycle, and maybe even before then if Bitcoin behaves. With such a low market cap, the risk reward is very good in my opinion. This is why it's called the degen space, because a lot of the projects in the degen space have very low market cap, so it makes them a lot more riskier, guys. You know what I'm saying? This is why I say always manage your risk. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. But there's projects in the degen space that have potential, and a whole lot of potential for great upside in the future. So like Crypto's Batman said, the risk reward is very good in my opinion. Tweet from James Bull. Okay, the coin is Shido, a new perp dex launched just now. Buzzing community of 7,000 people. GMX 450 million market cap has 10,000. Fully doxed team, Swedish CEO. They have a wallet app and credit card plus gaming platform coming out. Market cap only 7 million. 42 likes, 136 retweets, guys. 79k followers. I'm telling y'all, I'm always taking a look at James's tweets, and like I said earlier, a lot of top legit names in the crypto space on the, you know, Ethereum side of things are mentioning Shido, and it is great to see, guys. And like I said, the community super base, super active. Look at all those likes and retweets. All the tweets we checked out earlier also have a ton of social engagement. From Gandalf Crypto, 76k followers. It's coming. Shido is doing it. Congrats to the whole team and community at Shido Finance, and to everyone else. Don't want to miss this. It's still early to get into the project. Hey, like I said, congrats to the Shido team, man. Great job you guys are doing, Bjorn and the whole team, for releasing the decks on time at a scheduled pace like you said you would. So many things in the works still for the utilities of Shido. I can't wait to see how far the project goes in the future. And a tweet from Altcoin Gordon himself, another huge name I follow. 414k followers on Twitter. Congrats to the Shido team. Let's have a great launch, guys. When you look at a project like Shido, it has all the factors it takes to become successful in this space. Now, nothing is guaranteed, especially in crypto, but hey, this is a project out of all the other projects in the space. There's only a few I would be willing to take a risk on in the degen space, and Shido is one of those huge accounts. Even accounts like Altcoin Gordon sharing to his huge amount of followers. Shido, guys, I really don't think Shido is a project you could turn a blind eye to. Now, I could be wrong, but let's see where it goes in the future, because I wish nothing but success for the Shido project. If you hold Shido and part of the Shido army, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It really helps the channel out. This video could definitely get out into the algorithm for new eyes to get on the project. YouTube could put it on the front page as long as the engagement for this video does well. And if this is your first time hearing about Shido, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. What do you guys think? Let's have a discussion. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.